Hi, Nest Moms! So if you're wondering what this contraption is, this is the Hyundai Home Starch Reducing Rice Cooker. If you have yung hereditary na diabetes or you acquired diabetes at home, or even if you just want to lose some weight and still be able to enjoy eating rice, this is the rice cooker for you. So the main question is, will it change the taste of the rice? And that is the question that we will answer together because this is also my first time to use a rice cooker like this. So let's get started. First, let me show you what is inside the box when you open your new Hyundai Home Starch Reducing Rice Cooker. So this one is the 4-liter capacity, yung black and red. We also have the white one, which is the 3-liter capacity. The difference lang nila is the amount of rice that you can make. So inside meron tong pang steam. You will have the scoopers. And this one, ito yung difference niya sa normal rice cooker. Meron siyang, lalagay mo dito yung bigas and the water will go down. Meron siyang pangsala. And the water will go to this container. This one, this has the patented valve. This is the starch reducing valve. This is patented by Hyundai Home. You will see in the manual kung gaano karami yung water needed for each cup of rice that you will make. So it's different from the traditional one na nag-check tayo ng lines sa finger. So iba siya. You have to follow the water recommended for how many cups of rice that you will make. So now I have here 2 cups of rice. I already measured it prior. So we will put it here. And then according to the manual, 2 cups of rice, you need 1,700 ml of water. So this water is already the filtered water that we use at home. So what this type of rice cooker does is it will quickly boil the water, and then the valve will drain it straight here to the water collector where the excess starch and the chemicals will go. But magtitira siya ng 1/3 of the water, and it will use that to steam the rice and finish yung cooking process in a way that it will still make your rice fluffy. Now, all we have to do is turn it on. I will press this one, yung rice, and then start. Yan. So, if you see that, ibig sabihin, it's now starting the cooking process. So, 22 minutes later, and it is now finished cooking our rice. So, let's open it up. Yan. So, luto na yung rice natin. And, as you can see, very moist din siya, hindi siya dry. Tama lang yung recommended na water. You can also adjust it naman kasi 'di ba yung mga different types ng bigas, iba-iba rin yung kailangan na water. Pero for me, this kind of rice that we have been using, same yung itsura nila and consistency versus our normal rice cooker. Yan. Now let's check kung anong itsura ng water from the water collector. So, it's a bit hot. Yan. So, ito yung normal kasi na rice cooker, nakababad lang yung rice mo dyan sa water na yan eh. So, with this one, yung Hyundai Home Rice Cooker, the starch is reduced and it is separated from the canning and it goes here. So this water contains all the starch, excess starch, and the chemical from your rice. So now that we have finished cooking our rice, this is my daughter Gabby. Say hi. Hi. And she is our rice monster at home. She is the one who is eating the most rice, and we will get an honest review from her kung kamusta yung rice that we cooked using the Hyundai Home Starch Reducer Steam Rice Cooker. So, let's find out. It's still hot, huh?
Yes, Mom. I know.
Okay. Now, you eat it first without ulam. Okay. Can you tell them what it smells like?
Smells like rice. It's just rice anyway.
It's the same?
Yes.
Okay. Texture, consistency as the rice that we eat. Don't say the taste first. That's just the texture.
I mean, like, it's rice.
Okay, it's the same.
Yes.
Okay, now, can you get a scoop and taste it?
Okay.
It's hot na. You have to blow.
I don't have rice all over it. I mean, it's a bit stickier.
Stickier. I think I have to put less water next time.
It just
How
like
about the taste? Did it taste less sweet?
rice is supposed to taste sweet.
No, the rice that we use kasi is parang Japanese rice eh. So
I mean,
merong konting
a
sweetness.
tiny bit.
But on a scale of 1 to 10, is this less yummier? 10 being nearest to the original rice that we use and 1 being sobrang layo from the original rice that we eat.
9.
9. So 1 point less lang.
Yes.
Okay, now we're going to try the rice with some. This is the shout out to my favorite keema from Hakim. So this is
I've never
keema
eaten this.
and some kebab.
Kebab.
We try it with that. Now my question is, do you feel that you're gonna need more ulam when you're eating this kind of rice? Kasi diba sometimes you just eat a little ulam and then you scoop a lot of rice in your mouth.
Rice. Rice.
What do you think?
Rice.
Is the same. Okay, so it's okay for you to have this kind of rice every day.
Wow.
Okay, that's great.
I mean, it's rice.
So it's Gabby approved, and I also want to try it pala.
Okay, go.
I will eat it with my favorite keema. I will eat it without the ulam.
Tiny bit different lang.
Sobrang tiny bit different, but it's yummy pa din. So, my verdict is, it's almost the same. Sobrang tiny bit lang yung difference. The taste is the same. The consistency is the same. And, it's healthier pa. So,
Can I give this to Kong Kong?
yeah, because my dad meron siyang acquired diabetes. So, because now we have tried it and the Apo says it's the same taste. So now we can give him one of these para malesen din yung intake niya ng sugar. So, thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
You can now go to thenestaph.com to get your Hyundai Home Rice Cooker today.